is enough for one person. This is just a single serve salad. I have 1 mango that I've cubed. I have 1 small avocado that I've peeled and cubed. So I have about 4 strawberries, or about a half a cup to 3/4 of a cup of sliced strawberries. I have about 1/4 cup of diced white onion. You can use red onion, you can use green onion, you can use no onion if that's what you prefer. The juice of half of a fresh lime, a tablespoon of agave nectar. You can use honey if you prefer. And then this is about 2 teaspoons of chili lime seasoning. You just dump all this stuff in a bowl. And if you don't have strawberries, don't worry about it. This is delicious with or without them. You could put whatever fruit you want. If you know what? In-season fruit is all I'm going to say, because I really feel like this would be delicious with peaches or nectarines.
Blueberry.
Or you could throw whatever kind of berry you want here. You could put blackberry, blueberry, it doesn't matter. You want to make sure that you have at least a couple of tablespoons of lime juice. And here's some agave nectar going on. And like I said, if you don't have agave nectar, go ahead and use honey. It's all good. Now just get your spoon in here and toss it. I love this salad because you make it all in one bowl. You could even throw some grilled chicken in here, and I think it would be a phenomenal lunch. I'm going to sprinkle the top. I'm going to leave some back. I'm going to toss that in. As this sits, it's going to create this lovely juice. That is a simple and delicious avocado and mango salad with strawberries. Okay, to get started, we're just going to cook off. This is 12 ounces dry of a tricolor rotini. You can use whatever shortcut pasta you like. I have a cup of really beautiful orange cherry grape tomatoes and some grape tomatoes, just plain old organic grape tomatoes. A beautiful red bell pepper. About 1/2 cup of basil, because you can't have a pasta salad without basil. I'm going to give this a toss. And in order to make this a complete caprese, I have some bocconcini or pearl. This is Perline fresh mozzarella. We're going to fix a dressing up now. 1/2 cup of olive oil. 1/4 cup of a good quality balsamic. And I want this all to homogenize and stay together, so I'm just going to put about a spoonful. Dijon, yes. I'm going to put some cracked black pepper. It's about a teaspoon. The same of salt. And then I'm going to season it up with some garlic powder, because I don't want raw garlic in here. I don't think anybody will like that. About 1/2 teaspoon. The same of onion powder and Italian seasoning. Whatever your favorite blend is. And then we just get our little whisk out. Whisk this together. And just that little addition of Dijon mustard is going to keep it all nice and homogenized. And the only other thing I think I want to do is add a little bit of water. Maybe about 1/4 cup or so of water. That'll just loosen things up. Pour this over. Remember, you're seasoning up a lot of the pasta, and this dressing is just going to soak right in. You're going to let this sit and marinate while you grill your meat. And then when it's time to eat supper, it'll be delicious and ready to eat. That is how I make a beautiful Caprese pasta salad. We have 2 pounds of cooked shrimp. We're going to build this salad with 2 avocados that I've cubed, a handful, about a cup or so of heirloom tomatoes that I just quartered. I have a couple of Persian cucumbers here that I chunked up. I have about 1/4 of a red bell pepper, 1/2 of a sweet onion, and I have 2 limes here and some cilantro that I've chopped up. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to get started on our vinaigrette. I'm going to squeeze the limes in here. I'm going to add a couple tablespoons of agave, about 1/4 cup of cilantro, and then I'm going to take the cooking liquid from roasting my shrimp, which has 1/4 cup of olive oil as well as the juice of 1 lemon. And I'm just going to whisk this together. The shrimp is already seasoned with some seafood seasoning, like Old Bay style. I did my own. If you need salt or pepper, add it to taste in yours. Now I'm going to just take all of my veggies and I'm going to pop them in the bowl along with my shrimp, quick and easy. Then I'm just going to toss this gently so that I can incorporate everything together. This looks absolutely gorgeous. What a wonderful lunch for yourself, for your family. If you're having friends over for a luncheon, or maybe you're in charge of feeding the church ladies one Saturday afternoon, this is an excellent salad to serve them because it's a full meal right there on the plate. And all you have to do is maybe add a roll or some crackers or something like that. Boom, salad is done. How easy was that? And that is how you make my version of a roasted shrimp and avocado salad, perfect for any warm summer day.